President Emerson Mnangagwa has appointed Mohamed Jassat as a special envoy and a business ambassador to the Middle East. A statement signed by the president himself said Mohamed Jassat will act as the chief advisor in Middle East affairs, adding that he appreciates his experience and engagement with business and government leaders in the Middle East. This effectively cuts the responsibilities of Presidential Envoy Uebert Angel from the Eastern Bloc, where previously he had sole mandate to oversee business engagements.
Zimbabwe government have appointed another ambassador to replace Uebert Angel, to cut off some of his assignments he was doing. He's not doing anything for them at the moment anyway. So this new ambassador, he has a tie because he has a connection in Dubai and in the Arab world. So it could be two things. It could be to help them resolve all these things going on with Al Jazeera, while Uebert Angel boys are busy attacking people, denying things and making things look more complicated. The government know the truth and they know this is going to affect them. Election is coming. Zimbabweans will kick them out. So in order to resolve all these things through the back door, through diplomatic means and all that, they've appointed someone that has a 2 legs, that is grounded, rooted in Dubai, has connection. That's what we are saying. Your prophets F off. Now they just dump him. Everybody rejected him. They just put him in the corner. He's not even answering anybody. He's just reposting all his videos on his YouTube channel, because they are earning a lot of money from YouTube. They are all YouTubers. All these videos they are doing, they are making a lot of money because they have following. So they are following, so they are making a lot of money unknown to you, because some of you that follow them are just too ignorant. And you be coming here to insult us that is trying to open your eyes, unblock your brain. So in many ways, they are stealing from you. They are using your presence on their channels to cash money, to cash cruise. They will collect your money. You go there, they collect your money. They use your talent, they use your skills, and they are using your presence as well to collect money from YouTube. But God will deliver you. God will set all of you free. God will unblock your blocked brains and understand what we are saying. He has turned off his comment section because people are bashing him every day. Your ambassador is now former, is on the floor. Let's hear the rest of the story.
Will assist with consulate affairs in the new office in Dubai and also act as a special envoy in establishing a consulate in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The president's statement said, in this position, you are expected to assist with consulate affairs in the new office in Dubai and to also act as a special envoy establishing a consulate in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as we work to strengthen ties with the kingdom, unquote. Zimbabwean-born Ambassador Jassat is reportedly active in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Saudi Arabia, where he has special business contacts, and his core mandate is to attract investment to Zimbabwe from the Middle East. It is unclear, however, if this changes is consequent of the famous gold mafia documentary by Al Jazeera, which some government elements were exposed for smuggling Zimbabwe's gold.
The end of errand for Uebert Angel. I see you in my next video. Bye for now.